welcome from the Tech.AD Berlin 2018. I'm Christina from we.CONECT and I'm really happy to be with Michael Niklas from Continental. Michael, welcome to the conference.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for your time to participate in that interview. As a start, do you mind just briefly introducing yourself and tell us a bit more about your professional background?
I'm from Continental in a central department. We're taking care about different software issues for the divisions and business units. And my activities there are around software standards. And in these activities, I'm leading the group software standards, as the name says, and that's also why I'm here in the interest on this conference.
You'll also be moderating a Change-Up roundtable discussion later on this afternoon on exactly that topic. What are the future software standards for automated driving? I got a few questions for you with regards to software standards, which are widely used today in the automotive market.
So there are several widely used standards today. Some of them stand out, like for example, AUTOSAR as a standard where I've also been personally a project leader in the past, but there are also other standards in infotainment area from the past, like for example Genevi, and also upcoming at the moment, mainly in the Asian market, the AGL. Besides that, of course, there are a lot of more out there, but these are the mains we are used to and work with the last years.
And why does AUTOSAR stand out at the moment?
Yeah, because there are a lot of interest coming from the industry. So there are more than 200 companies at the moment. We had a lot of people coming to AUTOSAR because of the new platform, the AUTOSAR Adaptive platform. And with this new platform, we also address new industries. And especially we want to host automated driving functionalities on ECUs. And this is why there's so much interest in this particular standard at the moment, which is of course still under development, but first demonstrators are already built based on that standard.
How do you actually evaluate software standards at the moment? Do you think we potentially need more in the future? And which would that be?
I think more is not always the best solution. But of course, we will need the correct ones. So I would assume that those standards have to be open, so accessible by a lot of people and a lot of companies. They have to be very transparent of what they are providing. They have to be focused on the things that they are doing. So if we have the chance to distinguish between more standards and more accurate standards, I would prefer the second one.
And there are, of course, also software standards in other industries. Which do you think could actually help the automotive industry in certain ways?
So there are a lot of discussions about how much the aerospace industry could help automotive. There are a lot of systems already in use which have a similar complexity than in the automated driving. So this might be a direction to look into. Beyond that, we have also more and more server capabilities which are entering into the vehicle, and the server capabilities from ITS industries, for example, they can also provide some standardization, inspirations and reuse of existing standards for the automotive domain.
You've prepared quite a few questions for your roundtable discussion this afternoon. What expectations do you have towards the delegates?
To have a very open-minded discussion in general. I see a lot of buzzwords coming up already right now, so I will be really interested if they will be matched. And of course, I'm also happy to see some surprises.
Well, good luck for your roundtable discussions. Really good to have you here, and enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thank you very much.